This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Volkswagen Tiguan with factory installed raised side rails and factory installed crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT XL rooftop cargo box. This is an 18 cubic foot cargo box. It measures 84.5 inches in length. It is 36 inches wide and 17 inches tall. This is a dual-sided opening box, accessible from both the passenger and driver side. There is an easy-to-operate quick latch and a lift handle. There is no interference with the fully opened rear hatch. Here we have the box featured in the black glossy finish. This is part number 6298B. Also available in Titan glossy finish, which is a dark gray color, and that is part number 6298T. Mounting hardware is included, which grips around the crossbars with an easy turn knob inside the box. This box can accommodate skis measuring up to 200 centimeters in length. The box weighs 46 pounds and can accommodate up to 165 pounds maximum carrying capacity, depending on the roof rack weight capacity. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.